Remember that this crew, they were bronze medalists in the European Championships last year, and they also were in the final. Not the same crew, but it's both from Turkey. Almost side by side, with this short advantage for China, Zhu and Yao Li. China, they are looking for their first final in the kayak double junior men 500 meters. China getting better and better in the kayak men, because they are really, really good in the canoe, men and women. 200 meters to go. We have Czechia with their colors from Australia. Same boat as the German team. The yellow and the green.
Yes.
Australia is not racing here. They just qualified in the previous semi-final. This is China. Looking good.
Very good.
That's China.
We will have China,
and
and now 4 boats for troop. Oh!
Almost capsized in lane 2.
Yes.
I think it's
Lane 8.
Czechia and Turkey. It's Turkey and Czechia, but let's wait and see. But
because we
China,
have, yes,
they will race for the first time in the kayak double junior man 500 meters. Way to go, China. That's Roman Orlov from Estonia.
Orlov, IS.
Orlov is a
capsize.
Yeah. He's been improving as an athlete. Orlov, some medals for Estonia in the Olympic hopes and also in European Championships, so he's strong. One to watch in the future, that's for sure. So that's China, and then I believe it's Czechia and Turkey. Okay, Estonia here. Maybe we are missing Estonia. And they capsized just after they crossed the finish line.
Finish line.
Let's wait and see.
Now the Portuguese are on the platform after
There's a different crew in the European Championships, not with Orlov. Orlov was racing in the kayak 1/500. He finished 4th, and he was not racing in the kayak double in the European Championships. You can see them here. You never want this to happen. In your full throttle, and then you fall into the water.
So the results are here. We will have China, Czechia, and Turkey on final A.
It's for one.